attacking Xinjiang self-insulating block factory. The customer originally purchased a set of Henan band saw equipment. The diameter of the saw wheel is only 40 centimeters. The wheels are too small and the force is insufficient.
Lead to continuous problems in the cutting process.
The smaller the saw wheel, the greater the bending rate of the saw blade. The fatigue degree of the saw blade also increases, and the saw blade is prone to break. 2. The saw wheel is small, resulting in low cutting force and slow cutting speed. 3. The saw blade has no standard tensioning device. It is easy to break during cutting and the dimensional error is large. 4. One saw for longitudinal cutting and one saw for transverse cutting. 2 saws are required to complete the cutting.
The operation is more complex, seriously slowing down production efficiency and increasing maintenance costs.
5. Others, including peeling machines and demolding machines, have never worked properly.
Produce and repair at the same time. At most, the fault is that the saw blade breaks, causing forced production stoppage for maintenance. Customers are suffering bitterly.
Not changing the saw blade or repairing the saw. Just about to change the saw blade and repair the saw. The whole machine production line is not under maintenance. Prepare for maintenance. How to solve it? Please watch the next video.